Welcome to second PUC Accountancy online classes. Next topic is partnership deed. Question arises, what is partnership deed? Deed means an agreement. It is an agreement. I told you partnership can be started with an agreement only, either written or oral. If it is in black and white, it is well and good, because if any dispute arises in future, then the partners can approach the court, and this written evidence, written agreement will help them as a solid proof to defend the case. So there must be an agreement, and when the agreement is in writing, remember, it should be in written form. When the agreement is in writing and when it is signed by all the partners and stamped according to Indian Stamp Act, and which contains all the terms and conditions of partnership, like profit sharing ratio, type of business to be carried on, capital to be contributed, the provisions in case new partner is admitted, if one partner retires from a business, if one partner expires, if the firm comes to closure. In all these cases, what should be done? Because if these things are not mentioned in the agreement, then later there may be some disputes among the partners. Because when we sit together in a family, sometimes small clashes occurs, isn't it? The same in business is natural. When there are 5 to 10 members, or 3 or more persons, 2 or more persons, then naturally there will be some disputes regarding sharing of profits or sharing of responsibilities, or when a new party is admitted, how to do the procedure. All these things, dispute may arise. So when an agreement is written and signed by all the partners and stamped as per the Stamp Act, and which contains all the terms and conditions of partnership, then such an agreement is called partnership deed. Is called partnership deed. So partnership deed, it must be in written form, it must be properly stamped, it must be signed by all the partners, it must contain all the terms and conditions of partnership. So this is called partnership deed, or the other name for partnership deed is articles of partnership. Articles of partnership. So if in the examination, in the board exam, if they ask you what is articles of partnership, then you must be in a position to know that it is partnership deed only, the other name for the partnership deed. So you must write the meaning of partnership deed here. And remember friends, in second PUC board examination, they will ask you maximum 2 features, because there will not be any theory questions of more than 2 marks. Either 1 mark or 2 marks. You just go through the question, that is a paper pattern given to you already. You just go through that from this chapter, what type of questions should be asked. So if you remember 2 points as features, or meaning of partnership deed, or definition of partnership, or who is a partner, what is firm name, what is partnership, what is partnership firm, then it is enough. But to have a clear knowledge, because everything is very much important while solving the problems on admission, retirement, death and dissolution. So you should know everything, but from examination point of view, they will ask you either 1 or 2 marks question as theory part. That's all. So need not elaborate everything. All 6 features are not required from examination point of view. So this is about partnership deed. Now make a note of the assignment. What is partnership deed? What is partnership deed? You have to submit the assignment on time. Thank you for watching this video.